Hi everyone, in this video we'll be going over 5 features a modern performance management solution needs to have. Now, there are tons of amazing performance management software out there, but we can't say that all of them have kept up with the times. Without naming any names, of course. And of course, we know that the perfect performance management solution for an organization depends heavily on that organization's culture, how they operate, and tons of other variables. But in this video, we put together 5 essential features a performance management solution needs to have in order to be considered relevant. And as we go over each and every one of these 5 features, we will be showing you how Teamflect covers them perfectly. So let's dive right in. Number 1, integration into your communication and collaboration channels. And just to clarify, we're not talking about some third-party, kinda, sorta, after-the-fact integration. We are talking about native integration. If your performance management solution is an entirely separate platform that your employees have to go out of their way to access, you're doing something wrong. Your employees already have tons of different platforms they need to juggle. You don't want to add something else to that. Remember, performance management is a continuous process, so it needs to be a part of your day-to-day operations. So if your main communication platform is Outlook or Microsoft Teams, you need a solution that fits perfectly into it. And let me show you how Teamflect does that. Here we are inside Microsoft Teams, and to integrate Teamflect, all we need to do is head over to Apps and find Teamflect. That's it. Then you can log in with your Microsoft account and you are good to go. Now, I'm not going to be talking about every single Teamflect feature here, but let's just scratch the surface of how integrated Teamflect is. Right inside Microsoft Teams, you will have this complete performance management dashboard with your tasks, your goals, your reviews, and your meetings. If you click on a goal, you can update it, you can create new goals, and do so much more. And your meetings, they're drawn directly from your Outlook calendar. And Teamflect also integrates with Microsoft Teams Chat, so you can see your upcoming meetings, head inside them, create meeting agendas, and do so much more without ever having to leave Microsoft Teams. Number 2, providing a simple and easy user experience. And I know this isn't technically a feature, but let me tell you that the number one problem with HR software or any sort of tool you're trying to implement at work is that employees might have a hard time using it. There are tons of cases where HR solutions are purchased, used for a couple of months, and then left by the wayside. And issues during user adoption is the primary cause of that. It doesn't matter if a solution has tons of features and does it all very well. If your team isn't going to use it, what's the point? So a simple and easy to navigate user experience is a must-have. And on that note, let me show you how Teamflect packs all the features you might ever need inside a user experience that is simple and easy. Let's take a look at the dashboard that I just showed you. See how easy to navigate it is? All your meetings, your recognition, your goals, your tasks, everything is so easy to find. Because a good performance management software should be like a well-organized kitchen. Even a stranger should be able to walk in and find whatever they are looking for. And if you ever have any questions, every single module has a See How It Works section with video tutorials. Everything in Teamflect is right where you would expect them to be. And if you want to try it, you can simply click the link in the description and see for yourself. Let's move on. Number 3 on our list is using artificial intelligence effectively. Look, this is 2025 and the robots haven't taken over yet, and everybody is trying to sell you AI. Any tech website you go into today either ends their URL with .ai or has that sparkly circle icon somewhere on their site. And that is for good reason. AI can do wonders for performance management. That being said, the real question is, how is this tool using AI? Is it there just for the sake of it, or is it actually helpful automating processes and enhancing your workflow? Helpful AI features are a must-have for a performance management solution in 2025. And let me show you just a few different ways Teamflect integrates AI into performance management seamlessly. Teamflect has plenty of AI features, so let me just show you a few of them. Let's say you're setting a goal and you want a description. Just enter the goal title and generate it with AI. Or let's say you've received plenty of feedback and you want a summary and an analysis of it. Simply click Summarize with AI, select the feedback you want included, and click Summarize. Done, you have a detailed summary of it. Or you've conducted performance reviews with your team. You can generate insights with AI. Or during a performance review, you don't quite know how to comment on an employee's performance. Well, you can leave your comment, click Enhance with AI. You can make it longer, shorter, simplify language, or simply check for grammar or biased language. That is just a few of the ways Teamflect integrates AI effectively. Let's move on to number 4, extensive meeting features. Now, you might ask yourself, isn't that a little niche? No, it's not, and let me explain why. Nobody loves remote, hybrid, or asynchronous work more than us. I mean, that's how we as Teamflect work. But the real power in performance management lies in the connections formed between employees. All the technology in the world, all the performance management solutions are there to support that connection. They are there to hold everything else so you can focus on your people. And the best platform for those connections are your meetings, especially if you're working remote or asynchronously. Running meetings effectively and efficiently will do wonders for your performance management process, as well as keep your employees engaged. And vice versa, an inefficient remote meeting ranks amongst one of the worst things in the world of work today. I think you know what comes next now. Let me show you how Teamflect enhances your meetings. Let's take a look at some of the meeting features Teamflect has. We're going inside a meeting, and this is the meeting page, so we can create talking points, attach minutes to those talking points, write notes about those talking points, just create a very comprehensive meeting agenda, take shared and private meeting notes, create check-in forms that allow participants to catch up on what happened in between every meeting. These forms also really engage participants before a meeting starts. Teamflect meetings also have other features such as creating tasks, adding attachments, giving feedback through structured templates, as well as recognizing employees. We have an employee recognition embedded into a meeting right here. Now, let's see how Teamflect works inside an ongoing meeting. We're clicking Join, and then we'll start Teamflect up inside our ongoing Microsoft Teams meeting. Once we do that, we can see that the meeting agenda that we just created before shows up inside our meeting with all of our talking points. And if we scroll down, we can see our option to take shared or private meeting notes, create tasks, attach attachments. We can also click See Goals to see all the goals of meeting participants. If a manager and direct review have conducted a performance review, the manager can present the employee's performance review as an interactive presentation. And those are just a few of Teamflect's meeting features. Do you see how that makes a difference? Last but certainly not least is customizability. As I said in the beginning of this video, the right performance management solution for an organization depends on a whole array of different things. Each organization is unique, so all their needs are unique. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. No performance management solution can fit your organization 100% from the start. But the best performance management software will adapt to your organization to fit it 100% within the first week. Being fully customizable and adaptable is one of the most important features a performance management software can offer its users. So let me show you how you can customize Teamflect. Wait a minute, what happened to the dashboard we've been looking at all video? We've added custom blocks to it with team announcement, company values, and project updates. We've also added a company logo just for fun. Now let's take a look at performance reviews in Teamflect. Teamflect has plenty of templates that you can use for your performance reviews ready to go, and you can customize every single one of them or simply create your own. Same goes for our survey and feedback templates. And these are just some of the things you can customize. You can use Teamflect as it is or truly make it your own. But that about brings us to the end of our list. What did you think? What did I miss? Just let me know in the comments. Hey, we release helpful content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to try the best performance management software in the Microsoft ecosystem, Teamflect for absolutely free, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.